Hello guys, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. Today we're going to show you how you can upload your profile picture in TikTok Lite. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you need to open your TikTok Lite application, and then you'll be met with your home feed. If you focus on the bottom bar of your screen, you'll see a Me button at the right of the bar. You need to click on the Me icon, and then you will be met with your TikTok Lite profile. Now, if you focus on the middle part of the screen, you'll see an Edit Profile button. You need to click on it, and then you'll see a Change Photo option with a camera icon just at the top of the Change Photo option. You need to click on the camera icon, and you have several options to upload or put a new photo as your profile picture for your TikTok profile. Now you can either take photo, or you can select a picture from gallery, and you can choose the either. And for now, as we're uploading a picture, we're going to select a picture from our gallery. So you have to choose a picture to put as your profile picture, and you have to click on the confirm button, and you have to wait for it to upload. And as you can see, your photo has changed, and you can return back and see that your photo has been uploaded on your TikTok Lite profile as your display picture or your profile picture. So this is it for the video, guys. We hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down what you want to see next. See you in the next video.